Good afternoon and welcome to today's news brief. Today is Wednesday, January 27. State Governor Carlos Mendoza Davis reported through his social media accounts that yesterday the U.S. requirement for all passengers flying to the states to present a recent negative COVID test to board went into effect. And he added that in Baja California Sur, the government has been working in collaboration with the private sector to develop efficient procedures to allow all visitors to have easy access to the tests. Governor Mendoza said that, fortunately, all the 600 passengers that flew out yesterday were allowed to board as all provided the required proof of test. Ramon Ernesto Zúñiga Angulo, coordinator in Baja California Sur of the National Institute of Statistics and Geography, INEGI for its acronym in Spanish, presented the most relevant data for the state and municipality of Los Cabos from the last population and housing census conducted in 2020. This data shows that of the total population of Baja California Sur, which is 798,447 people, 49.2% are women and 50.8% correspond to men. The average age of the state's population is 29 years. Los Cabos is the municipality with the youngest population, with an average age of 27 years, and it is the most populated in the state with 351,111 inhabitants. 180,944 are men, and 170,167 are women. He explained that the pandemic did not affect the census as it was conducted during the month of March before the lockdown order went into effect, so it could be carried out without any major issues. He also said that Baja California Sur receives foreign visitors coming mainly from the United States and Canada, and that of the people from other countries that reside in the state, 50% are concentrated in the municipality of Los Cabos. To conclude, Ramon Ernesto Zúñiga indicated that the full results of the census can be consulted on the INEGI's website, www.inegi.org.mx. According to the state's Health Safety Committee, the national vaccination campaign against COVID-19 has been disorganized in Baja California Sur. They reported that the written guidelines that the government of Mexico, through the Ministry of Health, sent for the application of the first round of vaccines to the first-line health personnel doesn't consider some of the staff that is in direct contact with COVID patients, such as paramedics and first responders. This includes volunteer first response personnel from various institutions, such as the Red Cross, municipal fire departments, and ambulance paramedics, who have all come together to ask the health authorities in Baja California Sur to consider them as candidates to receive the vaccine from the first batch of vaccines received in the states. Since to date, there have been more than 300 emergency transfers of suspected COVID-19 patients made by these teams of first responders. As of today, Baja California Sur has 22,365 accumulated cases and close to 1,000 deaths from the COVID-19 pandemic. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great evening, and remember to tune in on Sunday at 6 p.m. for another edition of Cabomilnews and Community Update.